Are you climbing that way?
Yeah.
Okay, well if you're climbing that way, I'll film you in case you fall, because it'll make good footage. There we go, Caroline, the intrepid explorer, climbs through the rapids as they race down the base of Mudlarking Mountain and finds her way to goodness knows what as we head into the mysterious land that lies beyond. Okay, I'm going to take a slightly more civilised path, I hope. Oh, and then there's a waterfall. The wife is very busy messing about in the water. Lydia? Oh, what have you got?
Piece of pottery.
Oh, what's it got on there? Like a blue. Oh, yeah, very nice. I was saying now, that waterfall, that's stunning. And to think this is 1/4 mile from where Mum lives, and I've been around these parts for 57 years and I've never seen this. And I wouldn't be here if it wasn't I was married to a strange woman who likes to mess about in the water.
That's right. Come for a walk with me in the little stream, or the brook. Or the creek if you're in America, I suppose. Creek always sounds much more glamorous. Brook sounds much more glamorous than stream, doesn't it? There's a lot of leaves down so we can't see a lot. There's a little tiny piece of white. What do you reckon that is? Oh, it's a tiny, teeny, teeny, weeny bit of pottery. So I'll pop it in my pocket. On we go. You see something, think, oh, it's a bit of pottery, and it's just a leaf. Clear some leaves, see what happens. Ooh, look at that. I thought I saw a little bit of pottery. So what we're going to do is clear this little bit of a log jam of leaves. This will be a leaf jam rather than a log jam. You see if we can get the little pool to clear up. There we go, now I can see better. Ah, no. Bit of excitement, but it was a stone. So here we are at the foot of the waterfall. Oh, is that a snake? No, it shouldn't be snake. Oh, Phil found a cave. Right, we need to go and explore. I'll turn the camera off because I don't want to waste any space in case it's a really good cave. Right, here we go. Let's see this cave.
My cave.
Oh, there we go. Let's have a look. Trying to get there without falling in a puddle. Oh yes, look at that.
A proper job. A proper job. Look. Straight back here, and it looks like it goes deeper. I wouldn't want to go in without lights.
Oh
There's a
yeah.
mushroom going on the right hand side, and a little cold soul growing off the thing.
Wait.
Just down next to that piece of pipe.
Look at that.
I don't know how far it goes.
I wonder what's in there.
Tiger.
Could be.
Bears. Lions and tigers and bears.
It's a little bit
Cracky.
unstable and cracky up there, but it doesn't look too bad down there. But I still don't think I'd go in without at least a helmet on. And you know what I'm like with caves, I probably wouldn't go in at all.
Be interesting to bring a floodlight up.
It would. Next time we come up, we'll bring our light and we'll show you as far in as we can. I'll get the selfie stick as well, and we can poke you in as far as we can get you.
You was going to say I'll get the husband to crawl in and see what's
Would
around the
I? I'm not
corner.
that bad. Well, I am. If you're brave enough, but I'm not.
Depends if it opens up or not. I don't know. But it could be just a shallow entrance. It could open up.
Could.
But it's
Who knows?
exciting.
It is.
Hey!
See, now what we need is Aqua Chigger, Bo, to come and
Aye.
crawl in there for us, because he's very brave with
I
that
know,
sort of
I love
thing.
watching all these things, and I think he's super brave. But then again, if I saw half the things he saw, I'd run a blinging mile.
So there we have it, one unexplored cave. It's time to go home for lunch.
Well, unexplored by us.
Unexplored by us. Somebody may have been in there.
Yeah,
But we're going home, having some lunch, and I'll look up on the internet to see if anybody has been in there and if they've got any pictures. If not, we'll be back.
Right, let's go.
Here we go, back down the waterfall, and we'll see you all next time. But until then, don't forget, have fun. Bye.